There is a huge difference between reading how to do something and looking over someone's shoulder showing you how to do it step by step. A live video demonstration can make a huge difference in the learning process. Imagine the opportunity to apply this immense help. We believe that the best way to succeed with local marketing is by having several visual step-by-step screen-recorded videos that will walk you through every single step necessary so that you'll be able to set up a winning local marketing campaign. How easy it is to take action and create winning Facebook remarketing campaigns with just a few clicks of your mouse, like never before. These step-by-step videos will help you eliminate the lack of information you might have about setting up a winning.
We could easily sell this training for 5 times the price I'm offering to you right now, and people will pay that much money with a big smile. But we decided to give it all to you with a really cool discount, but only for the next 7 days.